Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. As I keep scouting out locations and with old abandoned homes in the Philippines, I'm becoming more and more fascinated with it and love to have this type of look in my first experimental horror film as well as others. Take a look at this trashy abandoned home here in the Philippines. Just totally amazing, and a lot of things to work with right there, using small clips of different things, a little bit of longer clips. And I always keep in mind when I'm doing this with what Andy Warhol once said: sometimes you just have to see what the camera can do, or let's see what the camera can do, and that type of a thing. We really look forward to doing all this, and using the experimental value with surrealism mixed in with Filipino culture and the beauty of the country, the sights and the sounds and everything mixed in. We're really excited about it. And hopefully this COVID thing will definitely light up. It seems to be lightening up here a bit in the Philippines and making things a whole lot easier as far as filming is concerned. So these are the positives to look forward to as far as my first experimental horror film, and again, including the others. Actors here who have been out of work for 9 months are, eager to get back to work, and that's another great positive. So we'll continue to see how it goes. I'm continuing to do a lot of testing on my cameras and the Bolex and Bolexes and that type of a thing, to see where it's going to put us, and using different filming techniques, old and things I'm developing, just like we all do in this genre of experimental avant-garde filmmaking. All right, Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, join our barter, buy, and sell Morbid Team Entertainment group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.